Open the headbox front cover by unscrewing the bottom front screw on the headbox end cap. Repeat on the opposite side. Pull out the idle end locking pin and remove the roller tube idle end first. Drill the headbox back plate. Always secure the headbox back panel through the installation brackets or spreader plate. If there is no substantial fixing points at the ends of the headbox, a spreader plate can be added. It can also be used on awnings over 3.5 metres wide as an additional centre fixing point. First, check the overall height against the order and mark accordingly. Determine the centre of the headbox over the opening. Position the headbox, check the level, install the headbox. With a crank control, insert the crank gear pin end of the roller into the crank gear. Insert pivot pin into the idle end of the tube, ensuring that the rubber O-ring is located into the second groove on the pin. Lift the roller over the installation bracket and down so pivot pin sits inside the pivot plate. Insert idle locking pin to secure the roller. Installation of adjustable side channel. The principal feature and benefit of the adjustable side channel is its ability to install in out-of-square situations. The adjustable side channel provides an out-of-square tolerance of 20 mm, 10 mm each side. It is still essential that you install the headbox level. Then install the side channels in line with the existing post or wall. There is no longer the need to pack out the channel to be square. Cycle the skin down and up 2 times so that the floating guide finds its true position. Leaving the skin in the down position, adjust the top alignment cap. This keeps the floating guide at the top in the correct position, as determined when the skin was run down and up. Tighten to secure in the desired position. The channel is pre-punched with notches at 580 mm intervals to enable the floating guide to be secured. Hold the floating guide under tension and drill through the floating guide and into the first surface of the channel. Do not drill right through the channel. 30 mm screws are provided to secure the floating guide to the channel. We recommend a 4 mm clearance hole be drilled through the floating guide. Start by securing the floating guide near the bottom. Additional securing points can be used if required. Securing the floating guide prevents excessive movement of the skin and provides a superior finish. The channel cover with adjustable side channels slides into position as shown. Slide it into position from the top and work down. Secure the channel cover by inserting a screw top and bottom as shown. This will prevent the cover from dislodging in windy conditions. The removal of the channel cover is simply a reversal of the install process. Attach the headbox by reattaching the screws in the side or drilling self-tappers into the lugs underneath.